Hey guys, what's up? In this video we are talking about the Pocophone F2 global version unboxing also. If you have not subscribed my channel, so please subscribe it and press the bell icon also. So hey guys, my name is Hussein and you watching related to technology, something special and fresh video. In this video we are talking about the Pocophone F2 unboxing of the global version. And Pocophone F2, there have so many leaks come throughout to me. All the things and all the leaks I explain you in shortly also. So first one we are talking about their box. The box having simple design also, and as a comparison to F1 box, not so many difference about that box. And let's talk about the backside of the box. So there are written as a upper side to box, there have a Pocophone F2 and so many things are written in this box also, like a Snapdragon 855 and so many things are written in this box backside also. So let's talk about the main device. There have written as a Poco F2 Snapdragon 855 and so many things written on. So that the device main highlight is a no notch also. There have punch hole display, and so there have showing the small camera middle of the notch also. There have no notch, so there have punch hole display, and their camera is fixed also the center of the device also. And let's talk about the accessories also. There have charger and a headphone also. So this is all the things of the leaks and all the things about the Pocophone F2 also. I hope all the detail and all the leaks also I explain you nicely also. So I meet you another video so you can care yourself and your loved ones also. So if you have liked this video, so press the like button also. And bro, never forget to subscribe.